This question is to involve an odd and strictly decreasing function f defined on the interval from -1 to 1. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Math Tutor 8285. Your subscription fuels the passion. Let's grow together. Thank you so much. Let the function f of x be an odd function and strictly decreasing on the open interval from -1 to +1. Which of the following intervals gives all the values of m such that f of open bracket 1 minus m close bracket plus f of open bracket 1 minus m square close bracket is less than 0? There are 4 options. First, we start by understanding the function properties. We are told that the function f is odd. This means that f of negative x equals the negative of f of x. Also, f is strictly decreasing in the interval from -1 to +1. That means if it is less than b, then f of is greater than f of b. Then, next step, applying the oddness of the function. We start with the given inequality. F of 1 minus m plus f of 1 minus m squared is less than 0. Since f is an odd function, we can say that f of 1 minus m equals the negative of f of m minus 1. So the inequality becomes negative f of m minus 1 plus f of 1 minus m squared is less than 0. That simplifies to f of 1 minus m squared is less than f of m minus 1. Next step is to use the fact that f is decreasing. Since f is decreasing, if f of is less than f of b, then it must be greater than b. So, f of 1 minus m squared less than f of m minus 1 means that 1 minus m squared must be greater than m minus 1. After that, next step, solving the inequality. We now solve the inequality. 1 minus m squared is greater than m minus 1. Subtracting all terms to one side, this becomes negative m squared minus m plus 2 is greater than 0, which is the same as m squared plus m minus 2 is less than 0. This inequality holds when m is between -2 and +1. Next step is to apply the domain restrictions. We now check the domain of the function to make sure both expressions, f of m minus 1 and f of 1 minus m squared, are defined inside the interval from -1 to 1. First, for f of m minus 1 to be within the domain, m minus 1 must be between -1 and 1. This gives us m between 0 and 2. Second, for f of 1 minus m squared to be defined, 1 minus m squared must also be